Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the system, make a restore point, and export the registry, because removing core UI elements can break navigation. Once done, open Registry Editor via Win+R and rejet it. Make sure you run it as administrator so changes apply. Navigate immediately to HKey local machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced. Why here? Because Explorer stores shell customization keys in advanced. Altering the right key controls the Start button visibility. Now locate or create the value described in the next step. You will change the specific Explorer key to hide the Start button. Right-click in Advanced, choose New Word, 32-bit value, name it Disable Start Menu Experience or the documented key used by your build. Set its value to 1. This tells Explorer to disable the Start UI. Make sure the word type is correct and hex versus decimal is noted. Decimal doesn't matter here, but consistency helps. Once set, restart Explorer from Task Manager, so the shell reloads and evaluates the new setting. You finish by confirming the Start button is gone and cleaning up. If restarting Explorer didn't apply the change, sign out or reboot to force a full shell reload. If the Start remains visible, reverse the step. Set the word to 0 or delete it, then restart Explorer. If anything breaks, use the registry export or the restore point you created earlier, restore them and reboot. One tip: if Explorer crashes repeatedly, boot to safe mode and revert the key there to recover reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.